Hi everybody, Monty here, Shadal Geometry. Mathia for week 4. That's October 5th to October 9th, 20 minutes. Okay, this will be the last week I'm going to leave getting started open. I'm expecting every moved on. So halfway through the week, I'm going to close this and make sure everybody is into reasoning with shape. Okay, 12 units I've done, 26 workspaces. 2 of the 26. Now a bunch of you are even with me. Awesome. I'm going to move everybody up to that second workspace. So let's get started. Click on Let's Go. And as you can tell, every computer goes a little bit faster or slower. I expect you to have already moved beyond geometric figures. I'm going to move you beyond that. Everybody will be to naming lines, regs, segments, and angles. I need you to know all those symbols because they're going to be used all year. Okay? You can watch the other videos. Go to last week to see a tutorial on that. Here we go. Working with measurements. Okay? Now in this one, the key is whatever it says on the left will show you what to highlight on the right. Hopefully everybody's had a good weekend. The sun's out. 73 degrees. It's gorgeous. Again, you have to read, select segments. Remember, that's why we got to know all those symbols, all that notation. It's looking for this one down here. So as you go through here, you'll see how different things highlight, okay? I'm going to toggle down a little bit, and there it is. You've got to toggle around until you see the one that they're looking for, okay? Once you see that, this is AX, AX, okay? Cool. Didn't want that one. Didn't want that. Oh, man. Segment is for... I guess I was already done. Oh, man. Okay. Next work, remember that you can ask for a hint. There's more work to do. What did I do wrong? Okay, I clicked on that. Select the segment that has 40. Part 2, 40 milliliters. Okay, so now you see how they highlighted the first one. Now you got to go to the second one. Don't get frustrated with that. Just learn to read, see it, come back and forth. Now, these measure statements, that's a key. We haven't talked about that in class. That's a segment. That's the measure of a segment. What is the name of that segment? Well, it's either EC or CE. I'm going to hit cap lock and go CE. It won't count it correct unless you have your cap lock on. Okay, and then it is 40 milliliters. Okay. Did I say liters? Millimeters. Thank you. Okay. All right. Now we're looking for that one. 40 millimeters. Looks like we might be done. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So hopefully that was helpful. You've got to read each section and look for what it's asking. Okay. Don't be afraid to hit the hints. You saw that I needed 2 hints just to figure out what they were asking. It's all good. Okay, so try to get up to where you see all these measurements this week. Now we need an angle, QEW. Okay, so QEW. There it is, QEW. You see it? Highlight it, QEW. Let's see if we got it right. There it is. Okay, now it's a measure statement. So again, we need measure of an angle. That's just the angle. That's the measure of a segment. That's the segment. So we're looking for measure of an angle. Again, you got to have all capital letters. You could go QEW or flip it WEQ. Now the actual distance is 153 degrees. Wait for your check mark. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Now select the one that is highlighted. Okay, so my guy is in the way, my little face here. So you got to toggle around, and it's a segment. See, it's got two endpoints, so we need that segment. Boom. You've got to figure out which one it is. If it's wrong, it'll let you know. That's a segment, so it's the measure M segment, and it's going to be, what do we want? Why don't we just go CEW, CW? Let's go CW since we can see those letters. Check it. We're correct. And, oh, it didn't count it. Why didn't it count it? CH. CH. I'll bet you it wants those points. Dun, dun, dun. Or we could have gone HC. We're at 36 millimeters, 36 centimeters this time. All right. Okay. Okay. Cool. We're done. We click it. Try to give me 20 minutes. Try to get that workspace done. And then you will go on to other items. Okay? Have a great week. Let me know if you have any issues. Bye-bye.